Powersports DT130. Okay, this is for the Defender people. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. We are on the glacier trip. This will just be a quick little upload for all the Defender guys out there. I have about a 1,100 pound trailer on. We're on the highway and I'm at 56 miles an hour. We've been up to 70 pulling this trailer on the highway. Woo! So I had some guys comment on my Facebook that I wouldn't be happy with this turbo. So this is the Evolution Powersports DT130, and I'm running 91 octane. And along with the tune and the clutching that they sell for this, you guys, it is spot on.
That's the guys that are in the river. There's a small road that's going to tee off to your left.
100%. There's no way without this turbo and the clutching I could have ever been able to keep up. This is an X3 right here in front of me pulling a trailer. And look, now we're up to 57. And we're just cruising down the highway. And yeah, so if you've got a Defender, sorry, the radio. All right. So if you've got a Defender and you're thinking about the turbo kit and you want to do some overlanding or some trailer towing, 100% do it. Just go get it. West Yellowstone, Montana. Let's go. We literally have about 10 miles on the turbo.
Cross the fingers.
Check it out, you guys. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Oh yeah, and if I didn't tell you, the turbo is sweet. Somebody commented on Facebook that they didn't think it'd be worth it.
Oh, it's way worth it. Oh, it's way worth it. Oh, it's way worth it. Yeah.
When she says it's worth it,
Yeah.
you guys know it's worth it. Why we do this. Oh man.
I mean, that turbo wants to go, you having to hold it back.
Yeah, that Polaris is slowing me down. Defender boys and girls. That's a little trail ride for you. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry and the Backcountry Defender. This is on our Montana trip. This will probably be included in the Montana videos, but I'm gonna do this for the Defender boys and girls. Check it out. Like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. Let's ride. Alright, so you guys, I am going to give you a quick takeaway here as I show this trail video. The TIRBO, 100% recommend. I've got 4,000 miles on it now, 3,000 of which include the TIRBO, and I would 100% recommend that TIRBO. 3,000 miles, absolutely trouble-free. But look how gorgeous this trip was. You guys, go back and check out some of the other Montana trip videos. They were amazing. The TIRBO ran perfectly, and you need power in your Can-Am Defender. This is a HD10, and it is sick with that turbo. Absolute game changer.